Hi guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. This video is going to be more relevant for those living in Europe. I wanted to improve the variety of colors of paracord which I'm using. So I decided on a mixed pack of cord from paracord.eu. These are 1 kilogram boxes, so about 2 pounds in weight, and I ordered 3 as a small sample size to see if they are cost efficient for me. This video is in no way sponsored. I have no connections to paracord.eu. I have been their customer in the past and probably will be a customer in the future as well. The point of this video is to evaluate this specific product. I am not a fan of gambling in the slightest, nor do I play the lotto. These boxes are a bit of a lottery since you don't know which colors you're going to get, you only know the approximate amount. This video, in a way, is going to reduce the lotto factor, so the randomness, by at least giving you an informed look at what you can expect. Now, my expectations for the boxes are as follows. The cords, so the colors inside the boxes, are not going to be the most popular ones, probably the ones which paracord.eu does not want to stock. Secondly, there is a chance that the contents of the 3 boxes are going to be a bit similar since they are probably packaged at about the same time. The criteria to evaluate the boxes are as follows. We have 2 tiers of colors. Top tier are solid colors, which you can use in pretty much any project. The second bottom tier are cords with patterns, neon, reflective cords, which are harder to fit in your projects. Due to the boxes being about 1/3 of the cost of regular cord, I'm expecting at least 1/3 of the cordage in the box to be of top tier quality. In essence, 1/3 of the box should be solid colors which I can use. Let's take a look. So after I managed to open up the box, here are the 3 packages. They basically look like a Happy Meal. For us working with paracord, they kinda are. Let's take a look. Next, the second pack. And our last, third pack. In terms of what I expected and what I got, the results are quite positive. I expected to get less desirable patterned colors as the main part of each package. This wasn't the case. I got some nice solid colors in decent amounts. I also expected little variety between the 3 packs since they were probably packaged at about the same time. There was variety between the packs, so again, my expectations weren't true. As far as the value proposition of these packs, I determined that at least 1/3 of the pack should be solid colors for the pack to be at least somewhat worth it. In reality, at least 2/3 of each pack were solid colors. So the value proposition, at least for me, is there. You get a decent amount and a nice variety of colors for the price. Again, I'm not sponsored by paracord.eu, but that's my conclusion. So I have no problem in ordering such a pack in the future to spice up my color selection. With that said guys, thank you for joining me for now, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well.